Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer and spiritual teacher. This is a daily reminder for you how to forgive yourself. I will share a simple 7-step process with you. Recognize. Start by noticing your feelings and actions. Why? Understanding them is the first step to turning your pain into wisdom. Reflect. Think about why you did what you did. And remember, outside factors and your mindset at the time played a role. This helps you to see beyond right and wrong. Responsibility. What is responsibility? Okay, accept what you did and how it affected others. Aim to make things right, but don't draw in guilt. Repent. Show that you are truly sorry. Talk to someone you trust or higher power to help you heal. Restore. Try to fix the harm you caused. Show through your actions that you have integrity and respect for yourself and for others. Reframe. Change how you view your past actions. See them as, let's just say, opportunities for growth and learning. And be kind to your past self and hopeful for your future self. At the end, release. Let go and move forward. Set healthy boundaries and believe in your forgiveness. Your future and you in your future with an open heart. See you tomorrow.